Hi friends, so good to see you again. Here's the last video of this baby shower album series. In this video, I'll be showing you how I make the crib and the baby as well. So let's get started with the tutorial. The crib base is of 10 by 10 inches black chipboard. The front and the back walls measure 6.5 by 10 inches and the side slitted walls measure 5.5 by 10 inches. We'll also need some cardstock strips with double-sided tapes to adhere our walls to the crib. Here's a closer look at the measurements for the slitted walls, and this is how it looks after you cut out the panels. Now begin adhering the strips on all the four sides of the chipboard and attach the walls as shown. I am also rounding the corners of the front and the back walls. Adhere the front and the back walls too. Also stick cardstock strips on the inner corners of the crib. Cover the whole crib with pattern papers. Stick an acetate sheet to cover the openings of the crib before you stick the pattern papers from inside. Now, make 1¼ inch markings away from the top edge of the open or slit walls. We will be attaching stoppers for our crib lid here. I have made the stoppers by sticking 2 chipboard pieces over each other and then covering it with the pattern paper. These stoppers measure 1.5 by 0.75 inches. You will need 8 such pieces. Begin sticking them under the markings we just made and do the same for all the 4 corners. For the lid, take a chipboard that measures 9.78 inch by 9.78 inch and cover it with pattern papers. Stick any fabric tape or washi tape around the edges of the lid to give it a finished look. I forgot to attach the ribbons to the sides of my lid, so I will do that now. Make sure that you stick your ribbons before you stick the pattern papers. These ribbons are for lifting the lid easily from the crib. I got a cute little pillow and a quilt stitched from the local tailor. I have given the pillow and the quilt some volume by filling them with synthetic cotton. For making the baby, I am taking a brown felt fabric that is 2 by 10 inches. Roll it to make the body of the baby. Take a 30 mm wooden bead and attach it to the roll that we just made. Next, for the hair of the baby, I am going to wind the wool around my fingers. After you are satisfied with the volume, pass another woolen thread through it and tie a knot on the top. Cut open the loops of the wool to make them look like hair strands. Stick these woolen strands over the head of the baby. Trim and level the hair if required. Using a black marker, make the eyes of the baby. I am using a light pink color pencil for the lips, and I am also applying some light pink eyeshadow for the blush on the cheeks. Take a broad satin ribbon and wrap it around the head and the body of the baby. And here our baby is ready. Isn't she cute? Unfortunately, I lost the video footage of me gluing the baby pillow and the other things on the crib lid. I sincerely apologize for that, and it was really not possible for me to reshoot it. Anyway, it is the easiest part of the tutorial as you have to just glue everything to the crib lid. I also stuck some laces around the crib to enhance the look. With this, we come to an end of our tutorial series. I hope you will make this album. Please do share your creations with me on my Facebook page. The link is given in the description box below. And also shower some love by subscribing to my channel and liking and commenting on my videos. I will see you in a new video. Take care and stay safe.